Hey guys, it's WR here. In today's video, we're going to be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror. This is the new update. Guys, what map are y'all in? What map? Guys, what map?
Run. Dude, that's air. Run, nigga. Run.
Oh.
What happened to him?
He quit the game.
Okay, you hear it. No, you want a cookie? I want a cookie. Yeah, here's a cookie.
I want a cookie.
Give me a cookie now.
Yeah, where the
I'm not a cookie. Stop trying to eat me. I'm not a cookie.
Come here, cookie. Cookie.
I'm not your cute little cookie. Guys, I get it. I'm cute. Stop.
Okay, shut up.
You're not cute.
Guys, I get it.
You're not cute. Not cute, by the way. You're ugly. You're ugly. You're ugly, by the way. Also, my headset's about to die. I need my cute little cookies to come here. My headset's about to die. You're ugly.
Hey!
Everybody get all ugly.
Run! They're coming for us next! They're coming for us! Run!
You're still ugly. Don't worry, we're just schizophrenic.
Oh my god, what was that? What was that?
I love the monsters.
What was that? What was that? Come here! What was that? What was that? What was that?
Everybody, we should really go to cave. You can't leave caves.
Wait for me, Blue!
Guys, my headset's You're still ugly.
Where are we going? Should we go this way? Okay, let's go this way.
You're still ugly. Everybody, I got a good nap to go to. Are you okay? Yeah. Hey, yo, you got a sister? Can I get a snap? Oh, cave just traps you. Yeah. Don't go into cave. It traps you and it's boring. Let me get your sister's snap. Yo, what? No. You're a guy, right? Hey. What? Yeah. Let me get your sister.
Run!
Run! I have a sister. Why? Shit. Let me get your brother's snap.
Go! 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 Let's go into another one.
No.
One's one and also one's one. Well, I didn't even mean to go to
How does your sister?
They're both 100.
No, gosh.
You're not down as you said? How does your sister? And he ignored me.
99.
What's the ball? What's the what? Guys,
Ow.
I'm about to Swiss cheese the monster.
Don't tag me with your cheesy fingers! Look behind you, you stupid! No, don't tag! You cheesy fingers.
Monster.
You're waiting for him to what now?
Can I go find him? To come. Like this?
Not that way.
What the hell are they doing? I just saw them.
Down here.
Oh! It's coming from that way! Run!
Why?
It's down there!
I'm scared.
I switched them, guys. I switched cheese them.
Run!
They got cooked.
Oh, run! Run!
He's there.
I'm about to switch cheese his ass. No, you're not.
I want chicken nuggets. Daddy, I'll attack you. Got him. You damn loser. Come on. In there? Thank you, Mom.
What?
Bro, I got a way over here. We're cooked. And I heard it. We're cooked. We're cooked, guys. We're cooked. I'm just white. I'm not. He got cooked.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh.
Did he die? Did Black die? Did he die?
He got cooked.
Bro.
Oh gosh!
Which way do we go?
This way.
Go. Come on.
He's behind y'all.
Kidding. Yeah.
Oh man. I heard it.
No! I'm coming! No! Dude, run! Dude, run for your life, man! Oh my God! Dude, God! Oh my God! I don't want to look back! I don't want to look back!
I saw it behind us.
It was literally behind you, dude. You would have died.
Where are you in?
How did I survive that?
I don't know.
Oh no, sorry for a second.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's go. Ah! Wait, go back. It might not be there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's there. That's there. That's there.
It's not coming. It's not coming. It's not coming.
If you go to roleplay, you're gay and you like little children. I do. I do.
It's just around that corner. Come on, Brad.
Okay, fine, fine.
Come on. Is he getting closer?
They're not scary.
Is it stuck?
Guys, go to cave.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay.
Guys, go to cave. Okay. Wait. I thought Off got. Wait. You need some people. You need some people. Go in cave. Everyone's in cave. They're in cave. You can't even leave cave. Poor guy.
Oh, wait. Should we go back? It's gone.
It'll be hard to find it.
Guys, we have to go to cave.
It's like way over here.
Okay.
We can't just leave the poor dude. We can't leave him. No. Where's
Lucy.
Yeah.
Yes, over here.
Anyway, if you're caught by Lucy, there's no exit. You can't leave.
Behind you.
Oh my god!
I'm stuck.
Is it down? Is it this way?
No, you can't leave.
Oh, no.
It's this way.
No, there is a back button, but
Oh, then let's go. I'm gonna leave.
Yes, we made it.
Come on.
I know this was the way.
Find out. Come on.
Okay, good. Where did they go? Guys, y'all went to cave?
yes,
Yeah, we're on cave.
Okay.
We're gonna go back. We're going back.
Okay, wait, never mind. Okay. Wait, y'all can't go back.
You're on a way to get back. Should we go to Stupid? Or on
Wait,
Area
can you
51?
post the code just in case we get kicked?
Area 51.
Code from this server. Tell us the code from this server.
Oh, not Slenderman. Oh, what?
Who's server owner?
Oh, Slenderman's coming.
No one just spawned random.
Oh, go back.
There's Sonic!
Go back from Area 51. Go back.
What map?
If you're at Area 51, go back.
I see monsters.
Okay, we're gonna go to. Let's go to. Oh heck no. Nope, not today.
Oh, it's RBVN.
Can you stop that? You're creeping.
Which map?
On the kids too.
Buddy. Everyone, go inside a question mark. There's a super fast monster. I repeat, there is a super fast monster.
And what?
And question mark. He is so fast, but you do not know how fast he is.
But here's the thing.
Let's
When
go.
you go in there,
You can't go back.
cannot get out.
3, 2, 1.
Go, guys. We have to be brave. We gotta be brave.
Where's the question mark?
Brave.
Go
Guys, whoever goes there is the best person in the world. Bet. Bye.
Whoever goes there is. Whoever doesn't go there is Ellis.
But this is actually the
No.
Whoever doesn't go there doesn't like their mom.
So, hey.
Okay, everyone. Click this.
What is that? What is that?
Everyone, when you got your big sound, just run back. So the monster's all
Wait, is
the
that
way
you?
over there.
You said the monster's really fast, and I said no, it's not.
It is. You gotta go all the way down there. Follow me, everyone.
I outran the monster one time. You need to be in private lobby to have like the extra servers to outrun the monster. It's very easy. Oh, that got me scared.
You guys heard that echo? Okay, everyone. So when you hear like this noise that is like twitching noise, whatever, run. Just run as fast as you
I
can.
feel like I remember you from the lobby. I think you were in the last lobby. You were in this map. And like I said, the monster ain't fast. And when you were talking, the monster came. Was that you?
No, that wasn't me that was talking. That was the other person that was talking. He was like, no, the monster ain't that fast. And then it went like, boom. And then it made that noise.
It was the instant karma from him.
For real.
That was just crazy. You were all the way over there. And we were just over here talking. I saw
Guys, we need to be able
I
to.
wasn't even talking. I was like, no, let's go this way.
Guys, we need to be able to hear the monster. We have to be quiet a little.
Bro, the
monster's really loud. The monster's loud. You do not know how loud he is, bro.
Nah, we're in question mark.
Bro, you remember when we were over there? We were on the wall. Bro, the monster was so fast. I told the monster I thought it was a name tag.
Well, I heard twitching. I heard twitching.
So fast.
I was like the second person to die because I wasn't paying attention to the monster. The monster was like all the way right there, and the monster was like this. The monster was like really
Well,
fast.
the monster's like the place monster, but this more faster.
I think it is.
It is the place monster. It's just more super fast.
Isn't it the white monster?
Because I think he's the one.
Imagine if it was a red monster.
Remember when he said every time that it kills someone, it gets faster? It did.
It does.
It does? Every time it kills someone, it gets faster. So you guys cannot be at the end. You have to just be kind of in front. That's why I'm going first, so I can be at the end and die first.
No, what if
What if it's in front of us? What if it's in front of us?
Yeah, sometimes it can be a
Then you just,
it can be like
technically it's going to be this way, but if you hear the sound, just run back as fast as you can. Okay.
What if I move? For the music what the monster has, I kind of like it. It says,
Wait, I just saw something flicker over there.
me too,
No. When you get farther enough, you should see some white eyes. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, bro. You must have saw this little you must have saw the little tag apart.
Guys, come on, use your super speed. We gotta be really fast if you want to see this monster.
Oh crap, what if who's there? I swear, if we're not
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Honestly, I'm not.
There's other people on other maps, so we might be cooked if we don't have the speed boost.
Okay, now
But that means the other people in the other map are not gonna have the speed boost at all.
who cares?
Cause they're
Guys, just keep looking out. Just
That's-
keep looking out for white
But
eyes.
this monster in this map is the fastest, I think.
For real.
But what about the maze monster in second
Do you want to
place?
know how fast it goes? How fast? 1,000 miles.
Damn.
Then
That's almost faster than Sonic.
For real.
I bet you even Sonic can.
I bet you Sonic and Flash is more faster than it.
Yeah. I don't think they are.
Is it last time?
No, that thing be all the way over there.
We were standing like right in the middle, and we were just talking, and then he just came.
But that monster can literally. That monster has the biggest radius of seeing you, man.
But where's the dumb monster? You guys just
I
have
think
to
that.
keep
But the
looking.
monster can be all the way.
Get the freak out of me so bad.
My heart. Wait for my heart.
Save.
Save him!
Get him down.
I'll catch him. I'm joking.
How do you not catch me, bro? Why didn't you catch me?
What's up?
Did he die?
I'm not kidding.
He got kicked. He just got kicked.
Who got kicked?
No, you scared me.
No! Somebody, he was in the air and then he just disappeared. He was in the air.
I'm right here. That's me. I'm right here.
No.
We're in question mark.
Where is he? I don't know.
You're a stupid monster, dude. Where is it?
Are you sure we're not running away from it? Sometimes the monster could be all the way over there. But hey, at least the monster radius is really big. But that monster can be all the way over there. And if you make it where it can see you from all the way over here, it's gonna be over here in seconds.
I will sacrifice myself.
If you're gonna sacrifice yourself, be at the very top of the thing, the lead. Be at the top of the lead if you want to
Are we
sacrifice
losing
yourself.
some people? Just me. Cause where's Cool at?
Cool got disconnected by Lucy. The one that I told you that he disconnected or he got kicked.
Where's the other two?
There you go. Okay, bye. Leaving y'all in the dust. Bye.
But this map is kind of like forest, but just without trees. You cannot tell me this map is kind of like forest. Without trees.
Oh my god, I saw white eyes!
Oh, that doesn't mean anything.
I swear I saw white eyes.
What map are you guys in?
Question mark.
Question mark.
What map are you guys in?
But where's this monster even walk?
What
Yo, I
map
just
are
saw
you
one.
guys in?
What? It looks so close. It looks like we're so close to the wall, but we really aren't.
What map are you guys in?
I know you're not in, buddy. You're cooked.
Bro, I'm so done. Bro, don't go to question mark. Don't go to question.
Guys, run at full speed, but
Guys, which map are you guys in? Guys, what map are you guys in?
I'm sacrificing. Question mark. I'm joking. I'm not sacrificing.
Which map are you guys in? There's
Question
no
mark.
Dog, get dog done.
Yo, what map is everyone in?
Bro, you have to tag somebody.
What map are you guys in? They're in question mark. Question mark? Oh,
How do you get all the way over here?
Bye,
We're
guys.
just all.
oh my god. I don't think there is a monster.
Bro, there is a monster in those maps.
I don't think there's a monster. I checked this like whole map.
Bro, there ain't a monster in this map.
We have several people. What is this map?
I'm getting really good questions. Where's the monster? Can the monster be at this certain area?
What? Oh God! I just showed my room, but I don't really care because what the heck? 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 Guys, you don't know how shocked I am right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What was that? What the was that? Oh my gosh! No! No! Guys, do not go in the question mark map. I just saw the monster and it's horrifying. What the frick?
monster is gone for now.
Oh my gosh.
We leave this map.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you like the vid and the new update. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want me to do a part 2 with me and my cousin again. Anyways, bye.